time for these two floors to go now. I can see there are multiple layers of floor here, layer over layer. So this room looks like parquet floor, but it is actually vinyl peel and stick floor. So I'm going to take out these two. It looks like there is parquet floor under this floor. I need another lever here so that I can take off the big sheet of this floor here. Just found this piece of 2x4, so that will help me lift this floor like this. Three sheets of 4x4 are gone, and these are my tools to remove this floor. I should be done in about 15 minutes with this room. All floor is gone. These are 4x4 sheets and the small pieces. Some more 4x4, and look at this. So it was a vinyl sheet on top of 1/4 inch plywood. The sheet was stapled to the floor. Now I have one more layer of floor here, but I can see from this place there's only one sheet of vinyl. Below that we have the builder's plywood. So I don't need to take out this floor. But my next problem is to hammer down all of these staples which are popping out of the floor. That's the next job. Different story here. Different type of peel and stick vinyl tiles under the existing vinyl tiles. I will not have to remove these vinyl tiles because right under that we have the builder's subfloor. So it can stay here. This vinyl can stay here. This room is done. Just took me about 15 minutes to remove all floor from this room.